In today's video, we're going to review the Benro mini tripod and selfie stick. But first, let me take a selfie. A video by TravelFit. You don't actually need a selfie stick to take a selfie, but it helps us for two reasons. One, Tim is much taller than I am, and either he has to squat or I have to stand on my tippy toes to get both of us into the frame. And two, you can fit a whole lot more of the scene in the shot and not have it just filled up with a head. When we were looking for a selfie stick, we had three things that we were looking for. One, it needed to have some different attachments so we could use it for a phone. And in our case at the time when we bought it, we needed it to fit two different sized phones. And it also needed to have an attachment for other cameras such as a GoPro. Two, we wanted something with a tripod. And three, we wanted it to be compact enough to fit into a small bag. Selfie sticks are one of those things that you either love or you loathe. And I used to be one of those people who laughed at people with a selfie stick and said I'd never have one. But, now I have one and now I take it everywhere and now I use it a lot. The Benro comes with a regular camera attachment, a GoPro attachment, and an adjustable phone attachment. It's got a tripod base. We can set up the tripod on any flat surface and use it as a stationary camera. So we set up some of our shots doing this with the tripod so we don't always film at the same angle. The one thing that kind of sucks about this is the tripod though. We love it in some ways, but you also need to make sure it's on a flat surface and it can't be windy because the tripod and the selfie stick is super lightweight. Any wind that comes will blow it over fairly easily and you risk cracking your phone screen.
Let me take another fuck no.
A couple of things that we love about the Benro mini tripod and selfie stick. One, it's compact. It folds up really quickly and easily, fits into my bag, which means we can carry it virtually anywhere. The phone connection is adjustable, so it doesn't matter that we have different size phones, it holds them securely. One of the features that we don't use is the Bluetooth functionality. It can be connected with your phone to enable, at the push of a button, to start and stop either photos or video recordings. So it's really handy because you can just hold the bottom of the tripod stick, press the button, and you don't need to reach up to the phone to take your photo or video. Two things with this. One, it has to be charged, and we already tend to have 1,000 things to charge, like our phones and computers and drone batteries, particularly when we're away. And so our charging ports are at a premium, and this is kind of one of the last things to get charged. So we've often found we haven't had it charged. And the other thing, it can only be connected to one phone at a time, and we use whichever phone we have quickest access to when we're filming. So we don't want to muck around, go into the Bluetooth settings and turn it on and connect to the Bluetooth there. So we tend not to use it. We just reach up, take a video and then just edit the video. If you like this video, press the like button down below. Subscribe for more videos. We do reviews, we do a lot of fitness videos, and turn on the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. We upload one every single week.